Hi everyone, you're welcome to today's XCN video. I hope you guys had a wonderful weekend. Now the market is currently taking a bit. We are going to be talking about this XCN MACD indicator real quick on the daily time frame. XCN is down minus 7.7% in the last 24 hours. We are going to be briefly talking about the BTC monthly average return, and not to forget the probability of rate cut has increased to 86.2%, and the probability of we not getting a rate cut in September has reduced to 13.8%. So fingers crossed, and let's see how it goes. If you're paying attention, we are also going to talk about this BTC liquidation heat map. If you're here to like this video, please smash the like button, destroy the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. My name is Isaac. For those new to this channel, you're welcome. Now we are going to be talking about this orders dominance chart as well on the weekly time frame. Don't forget the BTC price chart. We are going to briefly talk about the BTC price chart and also the BTC dominance chart. Let's not even forget this very important chart, the BTC dominance chart on the monthly time frame. So let's go back to XCN real quick. The MACD indicator is looking like bullish, if you ask me. It's positioned to flip bullish anytime soon, and we've already started flipping bullish. As you guys can see, the histogram has already started turning green. If you notice, historically, the moment the MACD line crosses above the signal line, we usually get a massive run to the upside. Same thing happened here when we crossed the signal line to the upside and also crossed above the histogram. Same thing happened here when the MACD line crossed above the signal line. We got a massive rally to the upside for XCN. If you're going back in time history, when the MACD line is above the histogram, that is when we usually get the hardest rally to the upside for XCN. Now imagine what would then happen when the MACD line eventually begin to make our way to the histogram and also eventually flip the zero line and begin to trend upward. XCN is going to explode. Now, if you're paying attention to XCN on the 4-hour time frame, where I think the previous video I specifically drew you guys attention to this breaker right here and also this resistance. Now, ever since we lost this range, the range between 0.014 and also 0.013, XCN has been finding it difficult to reclaim that range, and XCN need to flip this 0.0135 zone into a support. The moment XCN is reclaiming this range, consolidating there, ranging there for a while, then we should expect to break out of the 0.015 zone, flip it into a support, and begin to massively send to the upside. We still have a resistance around 0.019, which is technically 2 cents. When XCN is really ready to rally, to pump the 2 cent zone, which a lot of people are still scared of, that we have a lot of massive order walls there. The 2 cent zone, the sell walls are going to be taken out easily. The sell walls can as well be adjusted. So I wonder why people are even scared of that sell wall. Every asset has a sell wall and a buy wall, you understand? So it's nothing new with XCN. Now, if you guys not taking, if the market should continue correcting, then we should expect XCN to get to the 0.009 zone we talked about. My final entry zone, which I gave you guys in the last video, is around this level. You understand? Slightly below the 1 cent level. You understand? For XCN. Now, anything inside this zone is going to be a juicy generational entry opportunity, if you ask me. And we are going to get a very massive bounce by the time we get to this zone, if at all the market presents us with that entry opportunity. Now, if you're paying attention to the BTC seasonality monthly average return, you will notice historically the month of September is usually a bearish month for the entire cryptocurrency market. Same thing happened in 2021 bull market as well. BTC closed with a monthly return of minus 7%. Same thing with August. Usually close the month of August with a bearish monthly return on BTC. Maybe this time might be different. We have an 86.2 probability of getting a rate cut in September 2025 and a 13.8 probability of no rate cut in September 2025. So fingers crossed, but I think a rate cut is on the table. We are likely to get that rate cut, and the market is likely to rally into I think the rate cut is going to be more like buy the rumor, sell the news kind of a thing. I might be wrong, but I think that is what is likely to happen, because the market rallied briefly when Powell signaled a rate cut. When Powell gave that speech a couple of days ago, I made a video and updated you guys as well. I even told you guys I don't trust the pump, you get, because the entire market rallied into resistance. So I think a rate cut probability is on the table. We have a higher chance of getting a rate cut. Now, if that is happening and we are getting the buy the rumor, sell the news, then maybe we are likely to begin to dump maybe mid, what's it called, September. We have most of the liquidity now seated over $120,000. You understand? Now we've taken the liquidity below. If BTC should correct further, I think my entry around $109,550 is likely to get triggered. I still have a limit order open there on the leverage market. Now, if you're paying attention to the orders dominance chart, excluding top 10 cryptocurrencies in the crypto space, this is the weekly time frame for the orders dominance chart. The last time the orders dominance MACD indicator went above the signal line, we had a massive rally in altcoins. We are still in the oversold territory. We are getting a slight bounce on the BTC dominance after dumping to around 57.69%. The BTC dominance is currently at 58.2%. We are left with 6 days and 10 hours until this weekly candle closes. Now, I thought it was going to like dump lower to at least around 56.9% before maybe getting a bounce to retest the 60% level, but fingers crossed. Let's see what the BTC dominance is trying to do. The moment the BTC dominance approaches the 44-42% level, I'm going to like de-risk massively. I'm going to sell more than 90% of my altcoins. Now, if you're paying attention to the BTC dominance chart on the monthly time frame, I think history is about to repeat herself, and it is better you are positioned ahead of the massive rally that is coming, because the moment the BTC dominance start dumping, the moment history start repeating herself, it will be too late for you to get an entry. Like seriously. History is about to repeat herself. Same thing happened in 2017. We had a massive altcoin season. 2021, when the BTC dominance dumped hard, we had a massive altcoin season. We are here to get that aggressive dump on the BTC dominance, which is signaling you still have time to position heavily now. Like seriously. I bought a couple of altcoins when we had that rally to the resistance level, I think 2 days ago, if I'm not mistaken. I think I'm down minus 10, minus 15% in some of the altcoins I bought, but I'm not phased at all because I know what's coming. We are about to enter into the massive parabolic phase of the altcoin market. If you're here to like this video, please smash the like button, destroy the like button, share this video with your friends and family. As always, my name is Isaac. Peace out.